We've also got the gentleman here from Central Arkansas Dental Associates, and they're here to talk a little bit about the practice and what brought them here to Arkansas, what brought them together in a practice as well. So we're going to talk about that, all the things and services that you can find at Central Arkansas Dental Associates, and that's coming up in just a little bit.
This is Channel 7 News. Good morning, Arkansas.
Well, coming up, we're going to talk about your dental health as well today. We already covered cardiology. We have Dr. Jordan Cooper and Dr. Chad Matone in from Central Arkansas Dental Associates, and we're just going to talk to them a little bit about how they got together in dental school and moved to Central Arkansas and got their practice going and kind of the special mission of their practice. They said there are a lot of people out there that just don't know where to go, especially if they don't have dental insurance.
You're right.
Where to go to get some good dental care. So they're going to talk about how they make sure that happens by doing a lot of community work.
Yeah, it's a great program that they have, and they'll give us more information on that.
When we come back, it is Central Arkansas Dental Associates in the house, and we're going to visit with the two doctors about the practice and all the great things they're trying to do for the community. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Chad Matone and Dr. Jordan Cooper with us from Central Arkansas Dental Associates to take the fright out of dental care, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because a lot of people are just nervous about going to the dentist office. But good to have both of you.
It's great to be here, Melinda.
Let's talk about how you guys became friends and decided to go into business together.
Well, that's a fun thing to talk about. We actually went to dental school together. Chad and I actually lived together for 6 months during dental school.
And was that here in Arkansas?
No, there's not a dental school in Arkansas,
right.
So we went to the University of Tennessee. I'm actually from Central Arkansas. I grew up in Jacksonville, and Chad and I met when we were in dental school.
Right.
But we both came back here to practice. I went into practice with my dad in Jacksonville at Cooper Family Dentistry, and Chad went into practice with Don Whitten at North Hills Family Dentistry in North Little Rock. And we've since just stayed best friends, and we've started several community projects together, including Central Arkansas Dental.
Yeah, let's talk about kind of what you're trying to do with the practice, because you really try to be involved in the community, right? And you have a mission for the practice.
We do have a mission statement. It's to improve the oral health in Arkansas, and we have several projects working towards that. The #1 project is Central Arkansas Dental Associates. We have 3 dental offices, and they're focused on places that really need dental care. The first one was in Lone Oak, Arkansas. The second one was in Jacksonville, and now we've opened up a 3rd location at Markham and Ronnie Parham in Little Rock. And part of that is we try to make it the care available to everyone. We accept most insurance plans, including Medicaid, and we've been really proud to develop those over the last few years. Just going on a lot of the great leadership and example that we've learned from my dad, James Cooper, and Don Whitten.
Yeah, very great when you got someone who's been in the business of dentistry for a long time to sort of bring you in, and their patients need somewhere to go as well, right?
Absolutely. We've learned a lot from the mentors we've had in Jordan's dad and the time I spent with Dr. Whitten, and we wanted to carry really what we learned from them as great dentists out and spread it into the community.
Yeah.
So
what are some of the obstacles you've seen in dentistry here in Arkansas?
In Arkansas specifically, some of the obstacles are that Arkansas is really understaffed with dentists, as Jordan mentioned earlier. Not having a dental school in Arkansas makes it hard for lots of dentists to develop here in Arkansas.
Another obstacle is education. I know you've heard, prevention saves a lot of money and problems in dentistry and in general health, but in dentistry it's so true. You can put a sealant on a tooth for $25 when you have to do a pulpotomy and a crown on that tooth on a child. It's going to cost $300 or $400, $500 down the road. So prevention and education is so important, and the Department of Oral Health works really hard in Arkansas to do that. We work really hard in the schools to do that. We have some school-based programs. Chad is also the director of a nursing home program. We actually go see several nursing homes in all of Arkansas. I don't know how many nursing homes are you seeing now?
We are working with about 50 different nursing homes.
Wow.
Really.
Yeah, that's great. And a lot of times, you guys as dentists, you see something in the mouth that gives you a clue to some other health problems that are going on, right?
Yeah.
That's exactly right. And Chad and I were talking about that last night. There's so many correlations between systemic and overall health and dental health. Heart disease, we've established a major correlation there. Infant birth weight problems,
increased risk of stroke, heart attack.
And taking care of your dental needs really helps prevent some of those other problems from occurring.
Back to that prevention thing. Let's talk about the event coming up in April in Jacksonville. You guys did this last year in Ward?
Ward, you guys were there. It's a free dental clinic, and this is geared towards people who may not have any insurance at all, may be in pain. And this event, we do it every year. We've been doing it for 3 years now. This year is going to be in my hometown of Jacksonville, and we're going to be there April 2nd and 3rd in the community center. And we'll just basically see as many people as we can. We have several dentists going to be volunteering, and we'll do whatever we can to hopefully get a lot of people out of pain.
That is great. Yeah, you'll end up with a lot of people there who've been hurting for a while, and some say just pull it, whatever you have to do.
I look forward to helping them out.
Helping people. Well, that's fantastic. Let's talk about where your practices are, because you've got several there, Chad, around Central Arkansas.
The primary practice that I joined coming out of school is North Hills Family Dentistry in North Little Rock. I joined practice with Dr. Don Whitten. He's been there 30 years, been a great mentor. Jordan joined with his dad in Jacksonville at Cooper Family Dentistry, but then together we've started 3 additional practices, the Central Arkansas Dental Associates Group, and those locations are in Lone Oak, Jacksonville, and the West Little Rock location at the corner of Rodney Perryman Markham.
Very good. KATV.com, we're going to link your website to ours, but tell us your website so people can visit.
CentralArkansasDental.com. And go there. You can see which practice is going to be closer to you.
Right.
And we'd love to see you as a patient in our office, for sure.
Again, Central Arkansas Dental Associates, with so many practices around, you can find one near you. And go to KATV.com and just look for it there. We'll provide you the link to make it real easy to find. So Dr. Matone, Dr. Cooper, thanks so much.
Thank you, Melinda.
We appreciate it.
Right.
Good to have y'all here in
Thank
Central
you.
Arkansas. We appreciate it.